Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not a very clean D that second time, and off 2, and now 3 of a kind. Opening note is an F. So let's get set up for that all the way in. Although not quite all the way in, I keep my F's about that far out so I can adjust the tuning. 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Switching down now to 3's company. 1, 2, resting and last song on page 5 for trombones on brass only. That'll do it for the page. Thank you, and I will see you on page 6. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.